Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with Bitbucket. First, set up your Bitbucket repository by going to Bitbucket and creating a new repository. Copy the repository URL because this is where your code will be stored. Next, clone the repository to your local machine. Open the terminal and run git clone followed by your repo URL, then navigate inside the folder with cd or repo. Now your project is ready to work on locally. Once inside your project folder, you can use Claude AI by simply running Claude. You can also give Claude specific tasks, like Claude analyzes project and suggests improvements. You can generate or modify code using prompts such as Claude, add authentication system to this project, or Claude, fix bugs and optimize performance. Claude will either edit or suggest code for your repository based on your instructions. After Claude makes updates, commit and push the changes back to Bitbucket. Run git add, then git command -m update code using Claude Code, and finally git push origin main. Your changes are now safely on Bitbucket. For advanced usage, you can automate your workflow by asking Claude to create Bitbucket pipelines for CI or CD. For example, Claude create Bitbucket pipeline for CI or CD can generate build pipelines, test automation, and deployment scripts to streamline your development process. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.